The Soap Bootcamp is one of our most popular courses, and it's a great starting point for anyone interested in soap making. It's basically 3 full courses run over 2 days. We're going to be starting with the fundamentals of simple soap making. This is a hands-on workshop. If you're looking to make beautiful, natural, handmade soaps from scratch using delicious plant oils, butters, essential oils, botanicals, and lots of other gorgeous ingredients, this is the course for you. You'll start off by making a beautiful botanical soap. Once you understand the basics, we'll be moving on and we'll be teaching you how to create beautiful layers and sculpted layers. And then we'll move on another gear and we'll start teaching you how to do swirl designs, not only within the soap, but at least 3 surface designs as well, utilising different types of swirls. This course really will take you from zero to being able to make beautiful soaps from scratch at home. We'll include suppliers' details, all of your health and safety, and all of the other information that you need to really get started. But this is only one part of the 2-day program. So after you've had a wonderful day making gorgeous natural soaps, we'll be moving on and we'll be looking at the labelling and compliance aspects for those of you who might want to be thinking about operating this as a business rather than a hobby. Now, there are lots of different aspects to labelling and compliance when you're looking at selling your cosmetics within the EU. You'll be engaging in a face-to-face workshop where we go through all of the core fundamentals of your labelling and compliance, so you get to ask as many questions as you want. Now, we know there are many aspects to this and it's not always easy to understand straight away. So to make sure that you get the most from this programme, you can enrol free of charge onto our online programme too. That's going to allow you to recap all of these points and elements that we're discussing in videos, and it will literally take you step by step through every part of the process of labelling your products and getting them ready for sale. So don't worry if you don't understand everything on the day, and don't worry if you're a little bit tired and haven't taken everything in, because we've got your back. And of course you can always telephone us or email us with your questions afterwards too. We're always available to you. But this is again only one part of this wonderful 2 days, because on day 2 you're going to be learning about a totally different style of product, and the second day is all about liquid soaps. Now again, you're making these totally from scratch using beautiful natural ingredients, and we'll be showcasing how to make both liquid soaps and a more luxurious product called cream soap. Not only will you be making these, but you'll also learn how to adapt these products into a wide variety of different types of liquid soaps. And liquid soaps actually outsell bar soaps by 8 to 1, so it's a really good option to have in your portfolio. You'll soon be able to make liquid soaps, beautiful cream soaps, shower creams, silky shaving creams, and whipped shower smoothies. And we've got some gorgeous bonus recipes for you too. Now, we are so excited to be bringing this course to you. It's one of our most popular courses. And with that being said, I do just want to mention the fact that this course does regularly book out. So if it is a course that you're interested in, please don't leave it to the last minute, because I would hate for you to be disappointed. And this course runs in both Huddersfield and we run it in London too. Now, I've only touched on a few tiny elements of these 2 days. It really is a full and fun-packed 2 days, and I think you're going to absolutely love it. If you are interested, have a look at the further information on the page, or give us a call if you've got any specific questions. So once you've completed the programme with us, you can enrol free of charge onto the online programme, and there are so many step-by-step tutorial videos for you to re-watch once you're home and have a little bit more time to relax and just go over things at a leisurely pace. We've also included some fabulous videos with extra tutorials for you to enjoy as well. Are you ready to book your place onto this course? I really hope we get to see you soon. Bye bye for now.